Hey guys, so this will probably be my shortest video ever. I wasn't really planning to do a hair video on my new hair color just because I've done so many, but I really like how it turned out, so I thought why not just do a really brief video on what I did. I used Adore hair dye in the shade of Pink Blush. I think this was like $6. It's one of the cheapest semi-permanent hair dye brands, and they have like the best hair color selection. I got 2 bottles, but I only ended up using 1 because I thought I would dilute the color a little bit so it wouldn't be super vibrant. And it still ended up being really vibrant, but no regrets, because how I diluted it was with conditioner. I used a good amount of conditioner. I took a video, so I'll show you how much conditioner I used. And then I used a bottle of Adore Pink Blush, and I mixed it up really well. I love doing that because it's kind of like a hair mask while you're dyeing your hair, because I just had essentially No, I'm not going to drink water right now and take a rest. I got a new watch and it keeps telling me what to do. I love mixing conditioner with my hair dyes because it's like a hair mask. I have it sitting in my hair for like 2 hours, just conditioner in my hair for 2 hours. It's really good for your hair, and you need less dye, and it's easier to spread. Just lots of reasons. If I can add conditioner to a hair dye, I will, because it just makes the whole experience way better. And I do think that this could have somehow been more vibrant. I don't know how, but if I didn't use any conditioner, and I used quite a bit of conditioner, I think it could have been like too bright. And I have some pink nails now, but that's okay. Comes with the territory. And I styled it with socks overnight. And then this little hairstyle I have is a little hack that I love. I actually did a TikTok doing a little tutorial, so if you want to see how I get this hairstyle, you can go to my TikTok. And I think I have a TikTok on how I curl my hair, so if you want to see those 2 things, you can go on my TikTok. It's Bethany A. Meyer. That's my handle for everything for Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I never use Snapchat, but if you want, in case I ever do, if you want to follow me there. But yeah, I feel like it's a fun change. I haven't had a vibrant hair color like this in a minute, so I'm having a lot of fun with it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer. It is almost August. I can't believe it. Where is the time going? Something's going on, because I think time is flying a little bit too fast. But that's a topic for another day. I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!